What's the meaning of airfare? Airfare. 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 Airfare.
Airfare refers to the fee charged by an airline for transportation of passengers or cargo in an aircraft. This price can vary depending on several factors such as the distance of travel, class of service, and the time of booking. Airfare includes the cost of fuel, maintenance, flight crew, and other operational expenses incurred by the airline. Passengers can purchase airfare through travel agents, online booking sites, or directly from the airline. Special promotions and discounts are sometimes available. Overall, airfare is a crucial component of the airline industry that enables people and goods to travel quickly across great distances.